We'll guide you through how to use ElevenLabs text-to-speech. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To use ElevenLabs text-to-speech, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Click the search bar located at the top of the browser window, type ElevenLabs, and press enter on your keyboard to begin searching. From the search results, choose the first official link for ElevenLabs to open their homepage. Once the website loads, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page. Select the Sign Up with Google option to make the account creation process faster. Choose the specific Google account you want to link with ElevenLabs. Scroll down slightly to view the account permissions requested by the platform. After reviewing the permissions, click Continue to allow ElevenLabs access to your Google profile information. Wait a few moments while the sign-up process finishes and the page redirects you to the setup screen. When asked to select a platform type, choose 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and click Continue. Enter your name into the provided field so your dashboard will be personalized. Check the age confirmation box to verify that you meet the platform requirements. Click Next to move to the onboarding section. In the onboarding questions, select Newsletter. Next, choose Personal Use to indicate how you plan to utilize the AI voices. When the system asks what you would like to do, select Text-to-Speech from the available options. Click Continue to proceed to the plan selection screen. If you want to use the free version of the service, click the Skip button instead of selecting a paid subscription plan. After completing this step, your ElevenLabs dashboard will open and you can begin creating audio content. Click the text box within the dashboard and type the words you want to convert into speech. For example, you can type, "Did you hear that noise outside? I thought I heard something too. Maybe it's just the wind. Or maybe someone is there." After entering your text, click the Generate Speech button. Wait for the AI to process the audio. Once the waveform appears, you can listen to the result and download, share, or even make a content for social media.